Right. Okay, so let's finish this one that we did yesterday. The bell rang, so we didn't have enough time. So we said first times first gave me that 9x squared. Then outer means this 3x times the outer term over there.
The square.
Okay.
The x times the x.
Yeah.
So it's 2x.
Yes. So you take the coefficient, so the 3 times 3 gave me the 9.
And that only works when it's 2 brackets.
No. Even if I just wrote it like this, 3x times 3x, then it would also multiply coefficients, and then the x's with a, and use exponential rules, or exponent rules. I keep on saying that wrong, sorry. Okay, right. Then it was inner, which means a 2 on the inside. Right? So these two, I've got to multiply. Right? So minus 2 times 3x, and that gave me the minus 6x. You guys fine with that? Okay, and now it's last, the last term of each bracket. So, whoa, it does it again. Okay, so the minus 2 multiplied with the positive 1. Oh, het ek 'n foutjie gemaak? Minus 2, yes. Minus 2 times positive 1 is going to give me minus, a minus 2. Now, we said that usually these middle two, they, 90% of the time, are going to be like terms. So those I could simplify further. So the 9x squared hasn't got any like terms, so it's going to stay 9x squared. Yes, maar hoe skryf ek so lelik? Nee? That was when we multiplied the first term with the first term. No. Yeah. Remember, I'm just working from here. Then these middle two are like terms. So 3x minus 6x is going to give me minus 3x. And then that minus 2, there was nothing else to simplify with that, so it's going to stay the same. You guys fine with that? Good. Okay. Can we try... oh, sorry. Are you guys still copying? Okay. Right. So let's try one where I do not help you as much. Kom. Oh nee, Sisa, dis am te lelik. Kom, ek gee werk gou eers. I'm going to do this one with you guys because now I'm adding lots of exponents. Right. So, remember, FOIL. No? The F is for first. So I'm going to multiply the first one with the first one. No? All right. So 2, what's written in front of this x to the power 3? A 1. No? Okay. The 2 times the 1 is going to give me 2. And x to the power 3 times x to the power 3 is going to give me x to the power of 6. Do you guys all get that? Okay. Let me just take, yeah? We're going to have one like that now. Yeah. So then, yes? Yes. When base is the same and we're multiplying, then we add those exponents. Okay. Now, to answer your question, the O is for outer. No. So that means that I'm going to multiply this term with that one. Do you guys see that? And now it's an x and a y, what you were asking just now. Okay. So we said we first start with a coefficient, and then we do the unknowns. So 2 times minus 2 is going to give me a positive times a negative. Negative 4. And remember, you can use your calculator for that, no? 2 times minus 2 is going to give me minus 4. Now let's look at the unknowns. X to the power 3 times y. Now, because it's different bases, it's just going to stay x to the power 3, y. Okay, because we couldn't go and add exponents. It's not the same base. Do you guys get that? Now this looks like an 8. That's better. All right. Any questions so far? Okay. Now what does the I stand for? Inner. Which means that it's going to be this one and that one. The two terms on the inside. No. Right. So minus 7 times 1 is going to give me... Oopsie. Okay, hold on. Can you now see the screen? Okay. Okay. So minus 7 times 1 is going to give me minus 7. And then y times x to the power 3. Yes, you're correct, but we want it in alphabetical order. Not just x to the power 3, y. Good. Okay. Now, the last one is the L, which is for last term of each bracket. So I'm going to multiply that minus 7y with minus 2y. Okay, now coefficients first. Minus 7 times minus 2. Use your calculator. Positive 14. Good. And y times y? Y to the power of 2. I love it. Good. Okay, now can we simplify anything? Which ones do we say could we usually simplify? Like terms. Which ones are like terms? The 2 in there? The 4 and the 7, yes. So can you see it's those middle ones? No. All right. So who wants to try and give me the answer? Yes. Yeah? Yes. Take your calculator. Minus 4, minus 7. Huh? Nee, gebruik. It's normal subtraction, right? That's it. Negative 11 x to the power 3 y plus 14 y to the power of 2. Do you guys see how we got there? Remember, this one, there weren't any like terms, no? So it stayed 2x to the power 6. Now, these two were like terms, so I could go and simplify them. Now we use our calculator. Remember, this is now not multiplication. It's normal minus. So minus 4 minus 7 is going to give me minus 11. And look at the unknown, it stays the same. Remember we said minus 4 pineapples, minus 7 pineapples is not going to become apples all of a sudden. It's going to stay pineapples. So the unknown stays the same. And then that last term, the 14y squared, stays 14y squared because we couldn't simplify. It didn't have any like terms. Okay. Do you think you can try one on your own? Okay. Good. So, let's give you an easy start. X plus 2, x plus 1. Go. Remember, FOIL. Okay, you guys done? Right, so first x times x. So I'm going to have x to the power of 2. Now, okay, so that was those two. Now, outer means x times 1. And that gave me 1x or just x. Doesn't matter. No? Now, inner means these middle two. So 2 times x gives me 2x. But it's got to be positive 2x. No? Alright, then the L is for last. So last term times the last term. So 2 times the 1, and that gives me 2. Okay. Are there like terms? Yes, these middle ones. So x to the power of 2. Has he got any friends? Stays the same. Right, now these middle two I could simplify. 1x plus 2x is going to give me 3x. And then that plus 2 stays plus 2. Who got it? Signs and all of it correct. Okay. You okay? Do you understand where you made your mistake? So you had plus 3. Okay. Next one, don't make same mistake, ne? Sorry? Did you get it? Well done. Okay. Sorry? Well done, you guys. Okay, so next one more, and then I'm going to try something different, okay? Try and do, ooh, can I make it difficult? Okay, so remember your signs. Okay, try and do that one quickly. Ag, toe. Doen eers. You done? Right, can I do? Check the times. Are you done? 3, 11:09. Okay, so we've got 19 minutes left. All right, so first times first. Okay? Now, minus 3x times minus 4. Just the coefficients. Minus 3 times minus 4 is going to give me positive 12. Why? X times x is x squared. Good. Okay. Now, outer means minus 3x times 3. So it's going to give me how much? Minus 9 what? Good. Well done. At the first one, remember it was x times x. I'm going to write it here at the bottom. X times x. When base is the same and we are multiplying, I'm adding these exponents. So it's the same as saying x to the power of 1 plus 1. So that's why it becomes x to the power of 2. Okay. Good. Right. Now next one is inner. So this one with that one. So yes, minus 12 what? X. Not to the power of 2. Okay, because there isn't an x here, no? All right, now last. Okay. And then last will be the minus 3 times the positive 3. And that's going to give me minus 9. It is positive. It is positive. Wait. Inner means that it's going to be... come on. Nena, you probably just didn't put in the negative. Try it again. Remember, it's those two. So minus 9, minus 3 times minus 4. Minus times a minus is going to give you a positive. Thank you, you guys. I almost made a mistake there. Okay, right. Now, these middle two are like terms, right? So I could go further with them. The 12x squared, is that going to change? It's going to stay 12x squared because it weren't like terms. Then minus 9x plus 12x, we use our calculators, is going to give me plus 3x. Now minus 9. You guys fine with that? Good. Now, I think you guys have it, but I'm going to throw another spanner into the works and say, let's make it nice and easy, x plus 1 squared. Oh, now what? Now. Don't say easy. Before you do anything, what does that square, what does that mean? I must use that same bracket twice. So that's the same as x plus 1 times x plus 1. So basically you're just rewriting the thing. No. And then you foil that. Okay, go. Nice and easy one. Right, can you do? Okay, you were supposed to have, can I go slightly faster? Okay, so x times x, x to the power of 2. X times 1, 1x, or just x is also fine. 1 times x, 1x, and 1 times 1, 1. Okay, so we simplify that middle part. Can go further. 1 times 1. Eh?
Oh, remember you said 1 plus 1 now.
Did I say plus? Sorry. Okay, 1x plus 1x is going to give me 2x. And then that plus 1.
Yo, ma'am. I wrote 2.
Yeah.
I did 1 and 1, but then I still got the right answer.
Oh, so you had a 2 over here. Ay, cookie. Remember, when you're still getting rid of the brackets, when we're doing FOIL, it's multiplication.
I'm like,
Go.
what if you still my calculator?
Sorry? Yes. Yeah, there's actually a multiplication sign. Ja man, kyk wat maak ek nou. Dis 1. There's actually a multiplication sign here. We don't write it, but there's actually a times over there. Okay, you guys fine? Can we do one more? And then I think you guys are fine for homework.
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Good. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, there we go.
Oh, ma'am, you throwing the white.
Yeah, but why?
So, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Yo.
Yeah. They gotta watch the video and then do the homework, yeah. But you guys can start with the homework after I've done that. Okay, right. Can we do that one? Okay, so that is actually the same as 2y minus 3 times 2y minus 3. No. Okay, now, FOIL. The F is for first, so I'm going to say 2y times 2y, and that gives me 4y to the power of 2. Okay, then the O is for outer, so 2y times minus 3. Nice. So it gives me minus 6y. Then the I is for inner, so I'm going to say minus 3 times 2y, and again it gives me minus 6y. Then the L is for last, So minus 3 times minus 3, which is going to give me positive 9. Right, so we could simplify. Can you see these middle two are like terms again? Right, so the 4y squared is going to stay like it is. Then that's going to become minus 12y plus 9. Yes, you got it, no? Good. Okay, so it looks awful, I know, but at the bottom is your homework. Basically, listen, it's the second column at each. Look at your textbook. At A, or if you don't have your textbook yet, just have a look at mine. There's A, not the first column, you'll see. The second column is number 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. No? And at B again, second column, 2, 5, 8. And then at C again, second column, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. Okay, so basically it's just the second column. Hmm? Helped, no?
Let me know when stuff gets complicated.